Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a flyer on Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and sign into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design, search for Flyer, and select the flyer template size. This gives you the correct dimensions for a standard flyer. Next, browse through Canva's flyer templates and choose one that fits your project. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a business, or creating a school flyer, you can fully customize any template. Now, edit the template by replacing the placeholder text with your own information. You can also change the fonts, colors, and layout to match your style or brand. Before downloading, carefully review the flyer for spelling mistakes, missing information, and alignment issues. Once everything looks good, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print if you're printing the flyer, or select PNG or JPG if you're sharing it online or on social media. So that's basically how you can make a flyer on Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.